Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, the focus is on small talk about work and study. Small talk means simple, friendly conversation that builds connection in everyday life. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use short, natural sentences to start conversations at work or in school without stress. Small talk is a short, casual conversation that helps people feel comfortable and friendly with each other. It usually happens before or after main discussions or activities. In workplaces and classrooms, small talk helps you connect with others, fill quiet moments, and show interest in what people do. It is not about serious or deep topics, but about being friendly and polite. When talking about work or study, you can use simple and common topics to start a conversation. You can ask how somebody's project is going, talk about assignments, discuss daily routines, or mention deadlines. These subjects are safe and friendly. They help build confidence in spoken English and make others feel comfortable. Here is an example of a short conversation between coworkers. Anna asks how Mark's morning is going. Mark responds that he is finishing a report and asks about Anna's day. Anna says she is busy but almost done, and Mark replies that he hopes they both relax later. This shows small talk is friendly and real, helping coworkers stay positive during work. This example shows two students chatting between classes. Lisa asks if Tom finished the reading for tomorrow. Tom answers that he almost did and asks what she thought about it. Lisa says she liked the main idea, and Tom suggests reviewing it together later. This kind of exchange helps classmates build connection and practice English naturally. To start and continue small talk, use polite and neutral phrases. You can begin with words like, "How is your day going?" To show interest, say, "That sounds interesting." To keep talking, you might ask, "Are you working on anything new?" To end politely, say, "Nice talking to you." These phrases help you sound confident and friendly in both school and work situations. After starting small talk, it helps to continue the conversation by asking thoughtful questions. At work, you can ask how a person stays organized or how a meeting went. At school, ask if a lecture was easy to follow or if they will join a study group. General comments like, "That sounds like a busy week," or "I can relate," keep the talk natural and caring. End with short encouragement such as, "Good luck with your project." Good small talk is about being friendly and respectful. Listen carefully and respond to what the other person says. Smile and keep your tone warm. Show interest by asking light questions about work or study. Do not force a topic if it feels finished. Move on politely. Keep a positive attitude and avoid negative or controversial subjects. It makes every conversation pleasant. Some subjects make people uncomfortable in small talk. Avoid personal questions such as asking about money or private life. Stay away from negative talk like complaining about your boss or teacher. Do not bring up sensitive topics like politics or religion. And do not talk only about yourself. Instead, keep it balanced with short comments and questions. Staying polite and light helps every talk go smoothly. Small talk helps you make friendly connections and sound confident in English. Keep the conversation simple, positive, and short. Listen carefully and respond naturally. Ask open-ended questions to show interest. Smile and use a pleasant tone. End conversations politely with phrases like, "It was nice talking to you." Regular practice will make you more comfortable and fluent in everyday conversation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.